This is a step-by-step tutorial for a complete beginner on digital art to draw this rainy day by Juni Art, link in the description, and I used only default brushes. First create a blank canvas. I'll use 1625/60 resolution, you can choose any preset you like here. And all other settings are untouched. If you want to use exactly same color, paste the hex here. Now, use the rectangle tool to draw the base structure of the building. Enable the alpha lock and add another color. Duplicate this building, and use the transformation tool to move it. Create another layer, draw another building. Create another layer on the top, draw these borders on the buildings. Tap here to create duplicate. Duplicate this layer and drag it right here. Now use the transformation tool to adjust its position. Use the glazed marker and make sure these settings are exactly like this. And draw an angled borders on this side here. Erase the extra part from the building. Now, select the border we just drew, and duplicate it below. Then merge it. Use the grid tool to draw the windows. Don't worry about accuracy too much, because at the end we will blur it eventually. Disable the tool and select this window. Duplicate it below and other building also. For this last one, we will change its look. Just give it a simple shape. Draw another arc right here. Fill the gap. Now, merge all the border layers. Duplicate it, and enable the alpha lock. Paint it dark gray. Use the transformation tool and move it to lower left side. Select this side and adjust it. And erase extra parts. Now, disable the alpha lock and join both layers using the brush. Now do same with the other border layer also. Now merge these two buildings together. Make sure that alpha lock is enabled and draw shade to the side here. Now, keep the alpha lock enabled to add shadows and color variants to both buildings. Add shadows below the windows and borders, and some color variants all over the wall. Again, don't worry about the accuracy too much, don't try to make it realistic. add darker colors to this corner areas. Now, select this building, and add dark black gradient in the lower side. Tap here to disable the selection, and create a clip layer for the top layer, and change it to multiply. Just add shade around the corners and edges. Enable the alpha lock on this other border layer also for shadows. You can also add the on the clip layer, but I'm drawing the additional shadow on main layer. Add shadows to the duplicate layers also. I will add shadow here later. Our shadows and color variance is complete. Now create a layer above the building layer and draw the inner part of the window. Create a clip layer, and add shadow in the bottom and right sides. Create another clip layer, draw the window reflections. Just add straight lines of different size. Now, lower its opacity and erase it partially from the edges. Now I'm merging all the layers together. You can group them also. If you're merging, then merge the clip layers first, then the normal layers. Create a layer below and draw some dark clouds in the sky. Create a layer on the top, use this Manga inker brush and make sure to reduce the smoothness to 0. Now for this part you'll need a pressure-sensitive stylus, because you'll have to change the amount of the pressure while drawing the line vertically, or you can just erase the edges manually using the Monoline. Create a clip layer and spray on it using the Sand Blaster brush. Now, draw a vertical line on it again, but this time use smaller size. Now, select the main brush layer and use same Sand Blaster brush to erase it partially, just don't erase too much. Create a layer on the top and add more water drops using same method. Now, create a layer above the building layer and fill white color on it. Lower its opacity, and erase it partially using the coarse charcoal brush. Again use the airbrush to erase the edges. Create a layer on the top and enable the grid tool. Draw the candle here. Disable the tool, and create a clip layer, add shadows on it. Erase extra shadow from the top and right and left edges. Sharpen the edges of the candle. Add some reflections on the top. Soften the edges in here. Enable the alpha lock and add some highlights on it. Create a layer on the top, and draw the wick on the top. Create a layer below it and draw the flame on it, just draw a teardrop shape and erase a circle in the bottom. Sharpen the edges. Create a clip layer and add more colors to it. Merge or group all the candle layer and duplicate it. Lower its opacity and use transformation tool to move it. Erase the bottom part. Now, add the blur filter on it. Create a layer below the candle layer and add yellow color on top of the reflection. Lower its opacity. Lastly, select the house layer and add the blur filter on it also. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.